Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to make an ATC card using the designer series paper from Stampin' Up and some ephemera books. I said books because I'm not sure how many I'm going to be doing. So maybe just one or two. But I used the cards from the Dollar Tree. They're just plain cards. This is the Game of Hearts. And I'm just going to put some glue all around the back side so that I can decorate the back side instead of just the front side, because the front side is so cute anyways. So what I want to do is I want to have this house there, so I kind of know where it is. And so I'm going to flip this card over. We're going to go right about here. I'm not real sure how much of the sky and everything we're going to get, but as long as it has some of the house, hopefully a little bit of sky, and more. And then I'm going to cut. I'm going to make straight cuts so that I could use this paper for other things as well. So I love the designer series paper, especially when it has some nice pretty pictures on it. So I can save this for future, and then you can just cut these little guys right off the corners there. So let me know if you've made ATC cards before, if you know what they are. So I've made them now. I'm kind of getting okay with them. I just made my first one not too long ago. Look at that. Came out very nice. So I already know that I want to use that one. And then with this one, the Song of Time, there was a girl in here. There we go. I was going to put her in there perhaps. Or there's another one that I was thinking. Oh, maybe that was it. It was either that one or this one. I wasn't real sure. But I definitely want to put some of these flowers in here. So I'm going to take these flowers and just cut again. Right there. And I had some of these ephemera books that I had some other flowers I wanted to put in here as well. And this was, and there's a bird in here somewhere that I wanted to add. Oh, so this was one that I thought was beautiful. Let's see. It's on white. Okay. If I have a hard time getting them off, I don't use them. So it's not worth it to me. But I thought this one, I hope this one comes off. There we go. I wanted to put this one kind of coming off the side, like if it's a, like an apple tree. That's really close. And then we'll look at adding some roses over these roses. And I'm putting them all first before I, oh, here's that little guy that I wanted anyways. It was this little one. I don't even know if she'll still fit on there nicely. And then here's that little bird. Oh, here's another one that doesn't want to come up properly. There we go. see if we want to put a little butterfly here. I'm going to grab a couple other little flowers. And for right now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut these little guys off. So I know a lot of people have their ribbon scissors, and I have a pair of ribbon scissors as well, but I use these scissors for sticky. Do you guys have a pair of sticky scissors, or am I the only one who cuts sticky things? And then that way I know I can clean them off and get that sticky stuff off. All right, so I've got these, but I want to darken them up a little bit. So I'm taking my blender brush for brown. I have this in there so I know that it's a brown color. And I'm not even using more brown. I'm just going to use what's on here just to darken it up a little bit. And you'll see that it does darken it. You see the difference. And it just helps it to blend a little more, I feel. There we go. And now I want to get out that little girl and give her, hopefully, if she's not too big, she might be too big. So I'm either going to, she's pretty big. I feel like I could put her on there. And if not her, then this one. I think I am going to go with this one here. You can't see her real well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and put her on a piece of this part. That'll definitely blend in with those nice colors. You'll be able to see her a lot better. Excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and just fussy cut. If you have done ATC cards, I would love to see them. Like I said, I've never traded them, so I don't even know how you go about trading them. If anybody is interested, let me know. If you know how to do trading, or if you want to trade, let me know. All right, so we've got that. And I think, yeah, I'm going to end up covering that, all those flowers up. But that's okay. This is pretty. I think I'm going to lower her down a little bit as well. move this over just so I can have a little bit of that flowers showing through. And now I'm going to look through. Let's see. Explore, dream, discover. That's a nice one. Ooh, I like this one. This one is perfect for July, I guess. It's probably different than what you're thinking. It's stars and stripes, but not really. And this one's gonna say land that I love. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a little bit of some color to it. So looking, I'm thinking maybe this blackberry might be pretty. And even though I outline it, I'm not too worried about it being super straight. Just kind of artistic, right? Now I'm just going to go around the outside to clean it. It just gives it a cleaner look, in my opinion. I'm gonna take a little bit, cover her up some, and then go ahead with that same marker. And add a little bit of that there. And a hold, please. I think just to finish it up, I'm looking for some gold leafing. I feel like just gold leafing would be very pretty. Just a few pieces there. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger here. And be able to set there a little too long. There we go. And if you had like a paintbrush or something like that, which I do, you just take a little bit on here. And just add it. And then you want to feel around, make sure. I'm going to just put a little bit there. And then just make sure that you put this in some water straight away so that it doesn't glue and muck up your brush. And there we go, fun. I'm looking at this and I don't like that, so I am going to change that out. But other than that, I really like it. All right, I hope you do. Let me know what you think and give me some good likes, thumbs up, whatever you prefer. I appreciate you and I hope you have a great day. Bye. You like watching me